So today we will learn strategy number 19, number of solutions of linear system. So first thing, we knew this system. That means we have more than one equation. And we need to determine how many solutions we have, right? So how we will can decide. So here we have three answer possibilities. First one is one solution, or we can have zero solution. That means we have no solution, right? And we can have infinite many solutions. So we have three answer possibilities. Now, how we can decide which one it is? So whenever you solve equation, you will find x and y value. That is one solution. If you will find solution in when you will try to solve system, variable disappear and final line you will find false. Then you will get no solution. Or other way around, you can see if we have same slope and different y-intercept, that is no solution. And next one, we have infinite many solutions, or we can say all real numbers. So how you will decide, you will try to find source system and variable disappear, final line will be true, then there is infinite many solution. In other way around, also you can see if we have same slope and same y-intercept, that means we have exactly two same equations. In that case, you will get infinite many solution. All right, so let's see example here. We have x plus y equals 7 and x minus y equals 9. Any method you can solve this system. You can use substitution method, you can use elimination method, or you can use graphing method. But if we can see here, this one, I have already set it up y and negative y. So I will use elimination method. We have equation number 1 and 2. I have already y coefficient, exactly same coefficient, opposite sign. So I will use addition or elimination method. It's both are same. So I will simply just add equation number 1 and 2 and solve the system. So I have 2x, y, and y will cancel. 7 plus 9 is 16. And then I can solve for x. So I will divide by 2. So x is 8. Now I can substitute this value in either one of this equation. So I can take equation number 1. Let's say we have x plus y equals 7. So I will substitute this value right here. So x is 8 plus y equals 7. And then you subtract 8. So we found y equal negative 1. So we have solution is 8, negative 1. Always we will write down x value first and second y value. Now if you will notice from here, see we have given system is what? X plus y equals 7, x minus y equal 9. If you will take coefficient of each variable and make ratio, see we have 1 over 1, and here we have 1 over negative 1, and here we have 7 over 9, right? So if we will check each ratio, they are different. They are not equal. So whenever you have one solution, always you will get that format, okay? Now let's see second one. So we will use any method, first thing. So let's see, we have equation number 1 and 2. So I can see here we have coefficient of x is 1 and 2. Now let's see, we will check coefficient of variables. So we have first equation, we have 1. In second equation, we have coefficient 2. I will just make ratio from here, 1 and 2. and we have 7 and 10. So if we will check, we have coefficient variable, they are exactly same ratio, but this one is different. So in this case, you will get no solution. So whenever you have this format, they are equal and this one is different, then you will get no solution. But let's see how we will decide as well. We can use any method. So I will use elimination method. I can multiply by -2 to equation number 1. So we will get -2x minus 2y equal -14. And second equation, we have 2x plus 2y equal 10. And then we will add them. So this one cancel, this one cancel. So we have left over is 0. And other side, we have -4. So here we try to solve system, variable disappear. We don't have variable anymore. In final line, we found which is false. So in this case, we will get no solution. All right. Also, you can see there is same slope for both equation. All right. Let's see third one. So again, we can use elimination method, and I will show you here also coefficient of variable from both equations. We have equation number 1, we have coefficient 1, in denominator we have 2, 1 over 2, and we have 7 over 14. But if you will reduce, what you will get? If you reduce by 7, you will get 1/2, right? So we have each ratio, coefficient of variable and constant, each one are exactly same. That means we will get infinite many solutions. Or we can use any method. We can say give equation number 1 and 2, and then I can multiply by -2. So -2x minus 2y equal -14. And second equation, we will just copy down here, equal 14. So now we can cancel, cancel, and cancel. So we have 0 equals 0, which is true. So whenever you will try to solve system, variable disappear, then you will get infinite, and final line is true, then you can say infinite many solutions. All right. Let me give you one more example here. So let's see. We have, all right, so we have here, if I give you here x plus y equal 8, and I'm giving you here 3x minus 3y equal 6. Instead of 6, let me give you here 8. And I'm saying here, this system has exactly one solution. Then what is value of A, right? So right away, you can see here, look at this coefficient of x. Here is 1/3, here is -1/3, right? -1/3, they are different. And here, all are different ratio, right? So we have 1/3, and here we have -1/3, and we have 8 over A. And what it says, we have exactly one solution. Then what is value of A? A can be anything. Any number it could be, because they are totally different, right? And this one is also different, all right? So you can say it is could be anything, right? So that is one way to ask question. Let's see another question here. We can have, let's say, 2x minus, we have 2x minus 3y equal 5. And I'm giving you here, let's say, 8x minus 12y equal b. And I'll give you multiple choice. A, b equal 5, b cannot be 5, c is b equal 20, and d equal b cannot be 20. So how you will decide? I'm saying the system has no solution. Then find b value. All right, so real quick, what we can do is, I will take ratio, or you can find slope. So let's see, we have 2 over 8, we have negative 3 over 12, and we have 5 over b. Right, so I have, you can reduce by 2, so you will get 1/4. Negative divided by negative is positive 1/4. And here you can say 5 over b, right? So if you have, see, you are multiplying by 5, and if you multiply by 5 here, then you will get 20, right? So if you have b is 20 here, then you will get 1/4. So in that case, we will get exactly everything same, right? So I cannot plug in 20 here, right? So I will choose D. I cannot plug in 20. So that's how you can have problems for this. So just use this strategy to do problem set number 14. There is a couple different types of questions, so think about that. Sometimes you can have question, solve this system and solution is xy, then what is x plus y, or what is x times y? So you will find x and y value, and then you will just plug in x plus y, x minus y, 2xy, x divided by y, whatever you need to find. All right, good luck, guys.